welcome to Freshly Served Healthy Vegan Recipes in Europe. I'm Heather, and tonight I'm coming to you live from the land of pasta, pizza, gelato, and many other things.
Oh.
This is our welcome to Florence.
Yeah. Beautiful sunny Italy.
What am I making for dinner tonight? Barley. Don't worry, I have a secret weapon. It's gonna be delicious. It was so good last night that Phil told me I had to film it today. So we spent the afternoon wandering the gorgeous streets of Florence, Italy, and I am now ready to put together some dinner. So when we arrived in this hostel, we had a nice kitchen here to use, a very beautiful marble cutting board, but there was no stove, just an oven. I had to look around for a little while to make sure I was right, but anyway, no stove. So I took the barley that we had here, which here they call orzo. In Canada, there's something called orzo that's more like a pasta, but here orzo is barley. So I decided to do a baked barley in the oven, and what I've got is some onion, some tomato, and some broccoli. And what I'm going to do is put the onion and the tomato in this baking dish first. I'm going to put the barley in with it, along with some water, some salt, and my Italian herb mix. I'm going to save the broccoli to go in a little bit later once the barley has had a chance to cook a little bit. I don't want to overdo my broccoli because I really like it to have a little bit of crunch to it. And I'm throwing tomatoes on the floor. So I think it's time to pause this. All right, I've got the tomatoes and the onions in there along with the barley. I've just stirred it in to mix everything together, and then I'm just going to add water. And what I'm going to add is enough water to come up to the level here. And then the barley is going to absorb that water as it bakes in the oven. Okay, there's my Italian herb mix going in. Just stir that around. And what'll happen is the herbs will get their flavors into the water, and then the water is going to absorb into the barley, so the flavors get absorbed into the barley. Very nice. Okay. So that's stirred. I've got the oven at 180 Celsius, which would be about 350 Fahrenheit. And I need 2 hands to do this, but I'll tell you. Okay, so this is going to go into the oven for about an hour. Then you're going to cut up the broccoli, and I'll show you at that point. And if you're thinking 1 hour for dinner, really? That sucks. Don't worry, because what you can do is what I'm going to do, and go upstairs, read a book, maybe do some work, and this can just stay in the oven on its own for an hour. Isn't that great? While I'm doing that, I think Phil will probably show you some clips of wandering around Florence. Be sure to go to the website, healthyveganrecipes.net, for the recipe for tonight's dinner. And you can also find all of our travels. We've posted a special travel section for you guys. Everything is free in there. There's more cooking videos and tips videos and some info on traveling. But you have to go to healthyveganrecipes.net/Europe to check that out. So leave this for an hour and I'll see you back then. So here's our dish after about 1 hour. Give it a little stir. You can see that the barley is starting to plump up nicely there. It will get a lot more plump than that as well. The herbs tend to float, so you got to stir them back down. And I've got the broccoli ready to go in as well. Now broccoli will get dry if you leave it on top. So what you got to do is make sure that all of the little florets get into the liquid. So the broccoli is actually starting to steam a little bit already, but we're going to put this back in the oven for about 20 minutes to get it a little bit more cooked. And it is time now for my super special Italian ingredient, balsamic vinegar. So just give a little squirt on top there, stir it through, pop this back into the oven for about 20 minutes. So there's my finished product. The barley has been cooking for an hour and 20 minutes, meaning that it is really soft, big, and delicious. Infused with some herbs and some balsamic vinegar and some lovely vegetables in there as well. So I hope you enjoy. You can find the recipe at healthyveganrecipes.net. And don't forget to check out all of Phil and my travel videos at healthyveganrecipes.net/Europe.
That's the fake David.